So I'm recording my screen to show you what it means when you have on your monetization dashboard earnings have expired. Like the case of this person, the person's $5 expired on December 26th. Yes, so this person had to ask this question. I'm new to this. Does this mean the money I made before setting up my payout account is gone? Yes, definitely. Sis, that money is gone. All right, so this is because the person ignored or didn't have a complete requirement expected to fix or to set up her payout account, and then it caught up with her. So no matter the amount or the figure you earn, once Facebook invites you to set up your payout account, they keep sending that warning and they have a deadline for it. So if you miss out sending or filling up your payout details, consider that money gone, permanently lost, right? You cannot be retrieved, it cannot be paid to you, even in your new earnings or future earnings. You have lost the money, you've lost it. So, what then is the way out? Why should you be proactive? It is very necessary so you get your documents ready. Number one is your TIN, your tax identification number. If you are in Nigeria, get it ready and ensure the address you have on your TIN corresponds with the address you're gonna set up on your payout details. Take note of that, is very important. And then your dollar account, if you're going to be using that, or you use your Payoneer account, or you use your local bank account like Zenith Bank and other banks, any bank that you're banking with, okay? And then you get a bank Swift code. So to get a bank Swift code, you just need to get to your bank, and they're going to make that available for you. So on reaching your threshold for withdrawal, like for payments, is $100. But for you to have your payment set up, you have to reach a threshold of $25. Okay, so you can imagine one of your videos could just blow up, one of your content could just blow up, and you have views, you have engagements that you hit $25 within a twinkle of an eye, and then you did not get your things ready. Then you are in trouble. So once the platform sees you have started getting views, engagement, you've started building, they are definitely going to send you a setup, payment account setup. So you do not need to waste time. On my next video, someone sent me a screenshot. So on my next video, I'm going to be recording my screen to show something about payment updates.